Hey friends, it's Miss Cathy. How's everyone doing? Today we're going to read a little bit about removing trash from space. Now we talk about removing trash from the earth, trash from our streets, trash from our neighborhoods, but today we're talking about trash from space. So a space company launched a mission on March 22nd. It's named Astroscale. It launched a mission to solve a problem in space, and the problem is trash. Yuck. But it's not the trash you think. Space has a lot of trash. It includes broken satellites, so satellites that are broken, and the satellites send information to Earth. Broken satellites can be dangerous to working satellites, which look like this. And broken satellites can crash into the working satellites, so they can go boom. But Astroscale thinks the trash is a problem. They want to solve the problem by removing or getting rid of the trash. It planned a new space mission, and the space mission is ELSA-D. The mission includes not one, but 2 spacecrafts. So 2 spacecrafts. Astroscale launched the spacecraft on March 22nd. They launched it from Kazakhstan, which is a country in Asia. The spacecraft are now in space, so there's 2. This mission is a test for the spacecraft. It wants to see if the spacecraft work. The 2 spacecrafts should work together. One is big and one is small. Okay? The small spacecraft will pretend to be a broken satellite. So it'll pretend to be broken. The small one will. Okay? Oh, I don't have a lot of time left. The big spacecraft will practice catching the small spacecraft, so it'll catch it, okay? In hopes that the mission is successful. They hope the big spacecraft can catch the small spacecraft. Astroscale wants the big spacecraft to catch the trash, all this trash later on. But they need to make sure the big spacecraft works. The mission should last 6 months. Astroscale is excited about the mission. They hope to solve the problem of trash in space. They want to use the spacecraft to remove the trash. Do you think it will work? They launched a new space mission, and Astroscale is a space company. They create spacecraft and started in 2013, and its headquarters is in Tokyo, Japan. I'm going to skip that because we don't need that. Okay, let's answer a couple of quick questions. What was the paper about? Was it about the national parks? Was it about a special ship? Or was it about removing trash from space? And we talked about it. It's removing all the trash, right? The trash from space. Miss Cathy has a hard time with these. Who launched a mission? Was it Astroscale, U.S. Congress, or Facebook? And we talked about this. It's Astroscale, right? Where are the spacecraft now? Are they in space, in the ocean, or the desert? They are in space. They couldn't be in the ocean or the desert. What does Astroscale think is a problem? Is it planets, asteroids, or trash? As we talked about the title, removing trash from space. What is named ELSA? The rocket, the mission, or the character? And we talked about this. It's the mission. And what kind of satellites does the trash include? New ones, broken ones, or working ones. And we talked about it, broken satellites. Kind of an interesting concept. Let's see how it goes. Have a wonderful day. Adios. I'll see you next time. Miss everybody. Be safe.